Can a single keyboard boost your productivity? I would say no if it was few weeks back. But recently I had a unique experience where I am able to increase my productivity with a single keyboard. And this keyboard has completely changed the way I work. Let's find out how. And for your information, this is not a promotional video. I really like how this keyboard changed my working environment for good, and I wanted to share my experience with you all. Hello everyone, if you are new to this channel, I am Saurabh Parajuli and I did my PhD from University of Florida, and currently I am working as a scientist in US biotech company. I love to be productive and stay motivated every day. I have adopted so many new technologies to boost my productivity. Usually I have so many side projects that keeps me always busy, not for making a lot of money, but just keeping my passion alive. And there is always a need for me to jump between different machines from time to time based on my jobs. The primary machine I use is my MacBook Pro, which I bought in 2022. And I use this one mostly for editing my YouTube channel videos and video for my social media platforms. My second PC to go is Lenovo Legion with NVIDIA GPU RTX 4080. This is a powerful beast, and I bought this one for animation purpose and mostly for 3D rendering in the Blender, because I use Blender for some of my videos. In my primary MacBook, it can do that rendering also, but MacBook sucks when it comes to rendering videos and images. So these are no good, and I need to buy a second computer where I can do the animation and render the image and the video. Therefore, I had to buy this one. And like many of you, I have my personal computer, and this is an old iMac from 2015, which is more than 10 years old, and I use this mostly for my personal and family use, which I use for family photos, videos and other documents. And I do also have a fourth one, which I'm not going to talk today because this is my work laptop and I don't want to integrate any of my personal device on my work computer. Therefore, I have three machines to work, and I want to use a single trackpad and a single keyboard so that I can control all these three devices at one time. Therefore, I have been using this mouse. This is Logitech Master 3S, and I have been using this one for 3 years, and I can toggle between three different devices at one time. So I can sit in one place and I can control multiple devices. But I have always been using three keyboards for three different devices. But now I want to have a single keyboard system where I can control multiple devices at one time. And here comes Royal Close 100 RK100 keyboard that can be connected to three different devices, and I can switch between them very easily. And the only one reason I like this one is to be able to connect with all my three devices. So this keyboard is designed to connect three different devices at one time, and it can be connected with a shortcut key. So we can use function and Q for device 1, function and W for device 2, and function and E for device 3. And also I can use function and tab for USB controller and allowing me to connect a fourth device. And I can also use a wire mode, but I don't need this one. So this has changed my productivity and increased my productivity. Besides being able to connect three different devices, I really love this keyboard for three different reasons. And I want to mention them now because it is worth mentioning. The first one is low budget. This keyboard is low budget, like $60, $70. It's very fancy and stylish with eye-catching design with multiple colors it has. And second, the typing experience is awesome. It's very good. And the third, when I'm making videos for my YouTube channel, this looks pretty good and attractive in my video. I like that part too. Since this is not a promotional video, you do not need to have an exact keyboard that I'm using. But if you want to switch between multiple computers like me, then you may want to use a single keyboard system that you can control all your machines and be productive. Let us know in the comments if you are multitasking with the keyboard and the mouse, or you are adopting some better technology. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in next video.